on your Bible with the 500,000. If I about with the 500,000, with the 300,000, you have flights, Abuja.
Share this program because it may be a model just like this. And then you're not going to destroy you. Tell people continue. Oh my God.
See, I could not put a I'm going to buy 1 hour. See, I can't buy a bar. By now, EFCC natural. I got $30 billion.
Jpac. It's a way. It's surrounded by the war. I want to go show film. When I get your film, it's like it's a she not fight. I don't know what him there goes. God go in there. You might not be your dinner. Okay, to the motor. Okay, to the woman walking. To me, it doesn't matter. But in my no, little things. Here we brought my you know, I don't know. Yes. Now imagine me that everybody brew like each page. Scammer, thief, scammer. So MG should get Shimo Kalesio.
Yes. I get to I get you better the currency. Okay, baby. And thank you, okay, one. I know how. Hey, my brother, Kezaya, the other guy. Kezaya, my brother. Okay, one thank you, good to see my brother and my sister. Please share this program as you're joining. Now let's thank you. Now let me go straight to the point. I'm a video from Boss Lady. You know, actually ladies first. I'm a video from Boss Lady. This young lady, this is my first time of talking to her, but I've been seeing her posts on social media. You know, but few days now, a lot of things have started to escalate. You know, a lot of rumors, how you guys are collecting 20%, how age for a new nego, how age bagaya for contract and all that. I came across this program. I'm like, no, because I've been in this field. I know how it is. I said I'm not gonna say anything until I hear from you guys. So I reached out to this young lady yesterday. She and Nat from Kamona Gifu. I chatted her on Facebook. She had that I want to talk to you about the whole thing that is happening. Yashimoke. Sunday, I would like to hear from you. Introduce yourself so people will get to know who you are.
Okay. Okay, Chingiaka, thank you very much for bringing me to the live video. My name is Maureen, known as Boss Lady. I'm from Anambra State in Ozdobo. I'm CEO of Jpac Travels and Tours Meet. I run a travel agency in Abuja here. So it's Igbo English. Go so ahead. It happened that it's on Sunday night I booked a ticket for Jpac and Debube on Sunday through Bibioko. It's Mr. Bibioko that instructed me. So they came to Abuja on Monday. Although the fight delayed a little bit, but they came and raised money on that day, almost 1 million naira. That particular Monday they came into Abuja. So we raised it, we went to see Shinedu, although they didn't allow us to see Shinedu that time. So around 4 o'clock we entered there, we saw Shinedu, handed him the money over. You understand me? And since that particular day, Mr. Ebube and Mazi Jpac, they are not sleeping. There's one evidence on it. There's a video posted to Ebube's page. People were busy asking, do you guys sleep at all? Two of them are even down. Look at my face, this is not Maureen again, this is not Boss Lady. I'm stressed out too in this particular case. Our effort, our aim is to make sure that Prince Chinedu Wadike will travel to abroad. But it happened that Mr. Bibioko said Prince Chinedu should send me his data page, that is international passport, on my WhatsApp. And the person that will take care of him over there, that is 2 applicants. So, but since Monday, I talked to them about it. They didn't send it. Maybe there is 1 or 2 reasons. So on Tuesday, I sent them a message. But they did not reply me over this passport. Because as we are raising money, the most important thing here is to be processing their documents. Not just to be raising money. I run a travel agency. So how do you do it? before you do anything in travel agency, you must scan the person data page, that is international passport, to India. They will not get a medical this thing, a medical invitation that will carry Prince Chinedu's name and the name of the person that will assist him over there, so that the embassy, Indian embassy, will grant them visa. So now if I get that invitation, bank statement is ready, is on the ground already, which is the bank statement is coming from Mr. Bebioko as a sponsor with his international passport attached to it as a sponsor. He's going to write a letter attached to it. So what I will do, once I receive a medical invitation letter from India, I will fill form for India, that is Indian form. After filling the India form immediately, I will book appointment under that is health, and they used to allow them to submit even under VIP session. And they used to respond to, that is all this medical period, that is under health. They used to respond to them, that people that travel for tourists and so on. So, but as I'm speaking to you now, since Monday, we have not received international passport from Prince Chinedu Wadike. Tuesday, Wednesday, you understand me? Because people are asking questions. Why is it that we have not removed him? We have not started processing the document? No, we cannot do anything about Chinedu's medical trip to India because we don't have his international passport, and I cannot force him to bring the international passport. Even my team Talk Nadu, they cannot do it.
Hello? Can you hear me? I think I network about now.
Somebody on a phone, so the thing not called. Go on now.
Okay, program is very important. Go ahead, my sister.
Add Jpac. Okay? So we cannot do anything. As I'm speaking to you now, today is Wednesday, and we started this work.
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday, sorry. And we started this work on Monday. As I'm speaking to you right now, I don't have his international passport, neither his. You have to send me invitation letter. You know, I'll scan my data page to you. You use it and process my invitation to you. Am I correct? So I don't have it.
Yes.
Other people preparing it, we don't know. Are you getting my point? This is where I can stop. So whenever he bring his passport, then continue from where. You understand me?
I'm better.
Okay. My sister, I want to ask you. This journey now, when you send the room to this journey, or did you guys decided to do it? And when you send the room to go this errand? Who sent you guys to do this? Because who know volunteer to do them?
All right. Let me clear the air. Okay. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, hope you are hearing me.
Yes, I can hear you.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, perfectly well.
Okay, thank you very much. I am the one that run video. Oh, who is calling now? Who is calling? Stop calling. Sorry. It was on Sunday. Sunday morning. First of all, posted. See, Ebuigwe posted Chinedu Wadike health challenge that made it to go viral. I saw the video. I made a video on Sunday. I was countering that post of Ebuigwe. I was even shouting to Ebuigwe, why must you post such a thing? Why must you post such a thing that I'm not in support? Ebuigwe said that he has been into this sickness of a thing, that he just want to do it for Christ's sake. It's not that now okay, man, for more, just want to do it. And it's I made a video on Sunday. I put down that video of this video. MSM made a video on Sunday, which I later put down the video. I pour out my aggression on that video. Like again, one or two things. But let me cut the whole things. I was the thing, not the two. Now, all this is too bad. We put the thing, not the too bad. So I thought maybe there's no rotozi, no enjoy in time pass, no emero. The what I did, I am the one that put a call to the Bioko. Are you hearing me? You know? Good. I am the one that put a call to the Bioko. Move about the Bioko na phone. I said that the no one favor on Yorogi. Because ni me I say go ahead. Robin go me. He said that because eventually as I am here on myself in your ego. Then na yogi no one somebody now now and only the ego. So yeah, I was saying what dike. Na because obugo no we my other way no why because I mere me fa. Obugo no take you to abroad. That support to ego. I was saying okay ebe no now say I'm no Lagos. I was nke be say what dike no. I was say what dike no Abuja. That time say what dike no na Zenith Hospital. Abuja private hospital.
Okay.
Okay, I caught the call. More every na phone say nepa call make now. Nepa. Okay, I'm watch again. No, I'm not to send them to Abuja. I'm na abo soro because I blocked my Facebook account. I have to use my second account to log in. So I want to access email live video. When you dig every soro, go weekend in a live video there, you go see them the evidence and everything. Baby, you could send us. Oh, yeah, but you will be to work carbon to not get a rubber. Baby, you could send us. And we're boss lady. Boss lady will book a ticket immediately. Initially, we book first only by ticket. We was a blog account more. Who are in the Mura Abuja? So they need the evidence of everything. That's yeah, we go. Can we go a week? Now, any updates? What is the ticket here? We go. Yeah, will be 60,000, 120,000. The bag around there. I poor. Yeah, bro. 8:30 flights in the morning. Can we carry to Nobu? I was on the way. Both the department was in the able to go to the one they came from Zenith Hospital. None Zenith Hospital having me with there. We're putting a national hospital, which is the federal hospital in Woneta, Central Abuja, Gariki. A good idea. I rushed at that place also. When we came, she had what they came for, started crying. And I was able, I didn't know. Of where we will be back, you are the least person I expected in this life to come and visit me. That because forgive me.
Why did he say that?
Nagentina, every go see name my female Sune Duadike. Number Jiroba, Naji clutches Jakutegi for help. Keep what I'm going to find over. A Wariam. I'm going to call you this call. The destiny stop picking my call. Now, I'm going to see that Nigeria I want to use my health miracle to make a man room where you're on the Madego, Nisi. I can't wait to be able. Now I believe in that. It's once a gauge. Now put on the Madego, can people put a mass. When I say, Ebo, you go, and Yaraka, now I saw the seat to go for help for others. Now get your Naka. Good and fine. I don't know what those go. I'm coming. No baby, you could phone send a situation. Well, see the door baby goes bo. See what they is and then they might 1 or 2 days. I know you have emergency, no VIP. Monday I got a no passport. Tuesday, but let me before I go to that place, I'm coming. Seriously, give on it here as from 500,000 up. Or where's them now carry gum in your mother 500,000. We blow your radar. Now me 1 million. Kita. Kebu no. Now I check for. When I hope to work go kita. You say yes. Oh, we do goes 1 million. Even I can on a POS. Never put it okay, make a live video. Who know what 1 million? And them on a banking system, Nigeria now. Anything on a cost of 500,000. I get bill legal 15,000 naira.
Yeah,
now
who can
banking will be like banking will be legal more than that. Now I get POS bill like 15,000 to withdraw 1 million. Once here, my nose go to go account from first. Can do some do that mean we are about practical Christianity. I pull all the money as well. Blue they go to nylon. Return no back. Make a monte. Return no back. Church no do what dike. We see na akwa okokoti waraki with 1 million cash. We make a settlement at home making. We see na kembo chi na na akwa oria. No one na billionaire pastors. He said it. Go back to that video, you will see what I'm saying. That's about awesome. Then when billionaire pastors that 20 million is nothing to them, but none of them refuse to pick my call. None of them refuse to pick my call. But now, oh God will bless you. No one can about Christianity. Then when you go and at the end time, what did you do in the pastor? Ogechi accolade. I brought the 1 million naira. Yeah. I now say,